Join me as I put the top robot vacuum and mop combos of 2024 to the test and see which one really comes out on top. When it comes to keeping our homes clean, we all know how important it is to have the right tools for the job. And with the rise of smart home technology, it's no surprise that robot vacuums and mops have become increasingly popular. In fact, the market is expected to reach over $10 billion by 2025. But with so many options available, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. That's why I'm here to help you navigate the top robot vacuum and mop combos of 2024. One of the biggest challenges people face when choosing a robot vacuum and mop combo is the price. Let's face it, these devices can be expensive, and it's hard to know if you're really getting your money's worth. Another issue is features. Do you really need all the bells and whistles, or can you get by with a more basic model? And then there's the question of effectiveness. Will it really get the job done, or will you be left with a half-clean floor? For many of us, the decision comes down to a combination of these factors. We want a device that's affordable, has the features we need, and can actually deliver on its promises. But with so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming. That's why it's so important to do your research and read reviews from people who have actually used these products. Ultimately, the right robot vacuum and mop combo for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Do you have pets or allergies? Do you have mostly hardwood floors or a lot of carpets? These are all things to consider when making your decision. The market is flooded with robot vacuums and mops from top brands like iRobot, Samsung, and Neato. Each one has its own unique features, pros, and cons. For example, the iRobot DreameBot M6 is a popular option that's great for pet owners, thanks to its advanced navigation system and specialized pet hairbrushes. The Samsung PowerBot R7070, on the other hand, is a high-end option with advanced mapping capabilities and a long-lasting battery. Another model to consider is the Neato BotVac D7, which is great for those with allergies thanks to its HEPA filter and laser navigation system. And then there's the Eufy RoboVac L20, a budget-friendly option with a sleek design and impressive suction power. Each of these models has its own strengths and weaknesses, and it's important to consider your specific needs before making a decision. After researching and testing all of these models, I'm excited to announce my top pick for the best robot vacuum and mop combo of 2024. And the winner is the iRobot DreameBot M6. This device really stands out from the rest, thanks to its advanced navigation system, specialized pet hairbrushes, and impressive cleaning abilities. Plus, it's affordable and easy to use, making it a great option for those who want a hassle-free cleaning experience. But what really sets the DreameBot M6 apart is its ability to adapt to different environments. Whether you have hardwood floors, carpets, or a mix of both, this device can handle it all. And with its advanced mapping capabilities, it's able to learn your home's layout and clean with precision and efficiency. In conclusion, choosing the right robot vacuum and mop combo can make all the difference in keeping your home clean and tidy. By considering your individual needs and preferences, doing your research, and reading reviews from other users, you can find the perfect device for you. Thanks for watching, and if you've had any experiences with robot vacuums, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to tune in next time for more home cleaning tips and tricks.